Easy, you'll break him off. Good job, sis. Not a bad smallmouth. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg, and this is Puddle Walkers Outdoors. All right, guys, we just got here, and Annabelle has got her first fish of the day. We're gonna go ahead and jump in here and release it, and let's get this video going.
Easy tiger, why you strip me all the way back? There is one big heart under this. Don't pretend that I'm all you need. I know you got maniacs like me. The underworld and vagabondery is hard. For an artist, it's a lifetime of whimsy and wandering. I don't wanna lose my mind, yeah. I don't wanna lose my mind, yeah.
That's a giant, Annabelle. Fuck, I broke the rod.
You broke it?
Yeah, we broke it.
You're a strong one. Alright, careful, fishy.
Damn, it broke that rod.
Looks like almost like the one we got, but like bigger.
It's a good fish, guys, but he snapped my rod. High sticked him a little too much. Dang, the leech. Not bad. I can't believe that snapped. Oh man, he was violent. So violent. He deserved an underwater release. Here, Annabelle, take this for a second. Snapped my rod on that last fish. I couldn't believe it. I'm glad that I know Fish Smack, and I'm glad that Fish Smack has got videos on how to refiberglass your rod back together, because I am going to be refiberglassing the father-in-law's rod back together. I knew she was old, but I thought she'd be able to handle these bigger smallmouth, but it didn't quite exactly end up the way I wanted it to. But anyways, guys, good fish on the day. I'm gonna fish a little bit more, see what else I can catch. All right, guys, stay tuned. I didn't even know we had it. There we go. Came off. There's the bank. Oh, hold on, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. There we go, guys, that's a beauty. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, let's get him up out of here. I had no idea this fish was even here. There's a big cutaway down here right below me. Guys, there's some good quality fish today. I seen a big smallmouth back there on his bed. I put my camera in there. He was defending his bed with some bluegill. I really hope that that footage came out great. Tell you what, they don't seem to like this leech as much as they like this Hellgrammitte. Let's see if I can get them to bite on it. There's about 5 or 6 smallmouth right here in this hole, guys, and they're all just kind of hovering around, swimming around. We pushed them in there, walking down through here. This is kind of the deepest part of this stretch. So it's kind of like their refuge area. And I'm hoping just maybe we can pop this Hellgrammitte on here and get one of them to try to take a shot at it. They're a little interested in the leech, but they just didn't want to take it. They looked at it, stopped and looked at it a few times. Yeah, on the little rock bass. Maybe if my camera's not dead. No, camera's not dead. All right, guys, that may be the last fish.
I untwisted it and everything. It needs oil.
How'd I miss it? I had him too. He stepped out to hit it. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Bad at all. Came off right at the bank, guys. Holy bejeez. I thought I was fishing for a little smallmouth. Look at that beauty. Man, there's like 6 or 7 of them in here. This is just stellar. Absolutely stellar day, guys. All right, let's let them go.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom.
All right, guys, that's a wrap on the day. I don't know how many fish we caught. I do know that I broke my rod. Trey, thanks for that how to repair your broken fishing rod video, because I'm going to watch it again tonight. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a really good time today. I am exhausted. So we did the bluegill and red ear video this morning. We did a smallmouth video with just me and Annabelle this evening. We still got to walk our way out of here. And I'm just tired, guys. I'm definitely tired. I have no idea what to say. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one.